Hey guys, so it's the Travel Queen, and if you're on my page, it's because you want to learn how you can make money in travel. One of the businesses that I absolutely adore and that I have been a part of since 2015 is being a part of a host travel agency. Now, a lot of times people ask, well, what's the benefits of being a part of a host travel agency? And it's simple. Either you're going to pay a whole lot of money starting your own travel agency from scratch, or you cut to the chase and get all of your credentials and all of your access without having to go to school simply by partnering with a host travel agency. One of the benefits of doing that with the host agency that I'm with is that you will receive all of your travel agent credentials the moment that you get started. One of those credentials is this here CLIA. It's the Cruise Line International Association. That is a credential that you need as a travel agent in order to have access to booking travel and earning a commission. Now, with some host agencies, they require that you have a minimum amount of booking, but with our host agency, as soon as you join, you can actually pay a discounted fee of only $69 for the year in order to have your own CLIA credential. This CLIA card has your picture on it. It will have the information for our host agency, and this is what you will then start to use when you check into your hotels or your cruises or even on your flight. We have this access called FAM trips. These are familiarization trips, which as a travel professional, you are encouraged to take these trips to better learn about properties or destinations so that you can promote them to earn travel bookings for the industry of travel and so that you can get paid a commission. Sometimes these FAM trips only allow you the opportunity to participate if you actually have this CLIA card. So even without you being a travel agent, if you just wanted to go take a look, guys, you can go Google CLIA Embark ID and you will see here that we earn commission, personal travel discounts, and amenities from participating hotels that you see here. Some of these hotels and resorts you guys are probably already staying in anyway. So if you're serious about getting your accredited travel agent business started, I want to invite you to join my team. You can go to jointhetravelqueen.com for more details. See you on the other side of travel. That's the money making side. Bye.